Is your computer stuck at the scanning and repairing drive screen? In that case, you are at the right place, as we have all the details that you need to know to fix it. This is the Windows Club. Windows operating system has a cool feature of checking the disk for bad sectors and other related faults. But at times, this feature becomes painful as it gets stuck and the PC takes a long time to boot, or it could simply get stuck. So let's get started on how to fix the stuck scanning and repairing drive message. Method 1. Cancel the Chkdsk operation. Cancelling the Chkdsk process is the easiest solution to this problem. While starting, Windows gives you a few seconds to abort the scheduled disk checking by pressing any key. After that, you can cancel the Chkdsk operation entirely. Now, after aborting this process, if you cannot boot to the desktop, then you need to boot into Advanced Startup Options and use the command prompt. However, if you cannot access advanced options as well, then you need to use Windows Installation Media and choose Repair Your Computer. Then go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options menu, then select Command Prompt and use it to cancel the Chkdsk operation. Method 2. Schedule error checking via drive properties. Well, now that you have taken the first step and cancelled the Chkdsk operations, you also need to reschedule a new one. For this, you can use the GUI-based error checking utility. So open this PC, right-click on the partition you want to examine and select Properties. Navigate to Tools and under the section Error Checking, click on Check. Then click on Scan Drive. Let it scan your disk drive partition. If it asks for a reboot, reboot your PC. Method 3. Use repair volume for Windows PowerShell. Well, this is another excellent solution to get out of this issue. But there is a catch. This process will only work if your PC boots into the operating system normally after leaving your computer on for a significant amount of time. Once you are in the operating system, head over to Windows PowerShell and open it as an administrator. Now type repair-volume-drive letter. Let the process complete and see if the issue is fixed or not. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.